Hello, today we're going to be taking a look at the Intermountain Gas HVAC online rebate application. This online application should allow you to get your rebate completed, the information completed and submitted much faster than through traditional methods. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to navigate to our Intermountain website at intgas, that's intgas.com. And once you're there, you will hover over the Energy Efficiency tab at the top of the page, and you'll see a drop down. From there, you'll select the Contractor Portal. Once you click on that, this is what you'll see. One thing I do want to mention is if you look in the picture-in-picture, there is a video of what this will look like on the mobile version. We're looking at the desktop version, and we'll go through the example on the desktop version, but the mobile version in the little window there will follow along with what we're doing here. If you don't have access to this portion of the site, under Request Access to Contractor Portal, just simply fill out this information, hit Submit, and a password will be emailed to you. I'm going to enter that password and get into the site. And once you're in, you'll see a few options here. And we're going to go to the rebate application forms. Click on that. You'll notice several helpful items. There's the submit multiple residential rebates. That's an Excel spreadsheet that you can download. You can also download the form that we're going to look at, fill it out by hand, scan and email it, or snail mail it to us. There's also some additional tools, and you'll find, if you go through here, you'll find that this is kind of a one-stop shop for you to be able to get everything you need regarding information, news, rebate applications without needing to go through any other portions of our website. What we're going to concentrate on today is the online residential rebate form. So if you click that, that will open up the residential energy efficiency rebate application. And it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to go through and fill out some things here and point out some areas you definitely want to include so your rebate does not get delayed. And let's start with the name. Make check payable to if it's different than the owner. And then the site address, the address where the equipment was installed. And then you'll see a little radio box here. You can make the check payable to the site address, and it'll automatically fill that in. If it's not, if it's something different, then you'll click no, and you'll fill in that. We're going to leave it as yes. You do not need a daytime phone number. It would be nice, but we'll put in an email here, and then how did you hear about this program? There's a drop down. If none of these fit the category, then you can select other and let us know how you heard about the program. And then we get to the contractor information, so you'll fill in your information here. And the installer name. The address of your company, so include that, and city, state, and zip code again. And then the contact name of the person to contact at your company if there's any questions with the rebate. And their title. And a good phone number. and the equipment, the date it was fired. So we'll just select the day here. Is it a heat pump installed in your home? Yes or no? If it's yes, you'll see another radio button pop up there asking if it was a heat pump installed. Is it wired to a cool only setting? I'll leave that at no for now. Type of home, there's a drop down that allows you to select from a list. We're going to select single family residence for this example. The year it was built, we'll type in, and the square footage of the home. Is the rebate for equipment equipment being replaced? We're going to select no, but I'll show you what happens when we select yes. It gives you a box that asks you to list the efficiency rating of all the equipment being replaced. For these purposes, we're going to select no, and then the type of rebate. We'll select heating incentives, and you'll see it opens up some more information that's required, a permit number, and we're going to select the 95% AFUE or greater natural gas furnace with the $350 rebate. You'll fill in the brand information, and we'll just put in some generic information for that. You can add heating equipment if there was other heating equipment installed at that location. Fill in the heat loss calculation information. We'll do 10,000 and 80,000 BTU for this example. And then you can upload a copy of the final invoice. You can drag and drop it from your computer or select upload and find it on your computer. We'll upload, and after we do that, let's give an example of a water heater incentive. You'll see that'll ask for some other information. And same thing, a permit number, and what type of water heater. We're going to select the 91 UEF condensing tankless water heater with the $150 rebate. And we'll put in a brand and a model number. More generic information, and you can add it if there was multiple water heaters installed at the location. You can add another, and then again locate the invoice and upload that. Then when you get down to the end of the form here, you're going to want to leave the signature area blank, and you'll hit save down in the bottom right corner, and that'll bring up a little box here that allows you to send a copy of this form to your customer. And you can email it to them directly through here, or you can copy this link and send them an email. At any rate, they are the ones that will sign this form, and they could submit it to us from there, or send it back to you and you can submit it. If they send it back to you for you to submit, once you receive it with their signature, we'll hit submit, and there you go. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Intermountain Gas Energy Efficiency Department. There is the contact information for the Energy Efficiency Department, saveenergy@intgas.com, or you can call 800-548-3679 and click option 4.